Hey, it's your girl Best of Blend, and I'm back with another wig video. Alright, so today I will be doing a wig install on this sensational wig. The name is Darlene. This is a 1B and it's a 13 by 6 lace. Yeah, so y'all know I like my side parts, but if you want a middle part, hey, it goes that deep. It's very soft. You know, easy to maintain. I got a small head, so I just really like to try it on just to see, do I need to cut any lace on the side of my ears? As y'all know, I love my side part, so side part it is. My favorite spray. I love the spray. So y'all make sure y'all get that for with these wigs. You ain't gotta worry about no glue getting kinked up. All right, y'all know. Hey, I like my fingers, but I use the comb for this. One thing I can tell you about this wig, it is not human, all right? So do not put any oil or any chemicals in it. When you hit it with that pressing comb, hey, it's gonna shine up anyway. So you can use heat. Do not go over 400. Comb out the curls. Make sure you give it that natural look and style it. And here you go. That's how she look. I love it, actually. I think I can really get a good couple of wears out of this. I took it out last night and it's still bouncy. You know, you can put your flexi rods in it if you want to keep the curls, but I think it's gonna stay anywhere. But I would give another review on it. But yeah, this was me Saturday night. Darlene. Yes, I'm gonna do a lot more. You already know I love my human wigs. That's coming too, but I just want to show ladies that you can look good with the synthetic as well. Hope you guys like.